Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding people as a friend on Xbox Live. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Turn your Xbox on, sign into your profile, and let's get started. Click the Guide button on your controller to bring up the Guide menu. Move to the left once to get to the People tab. Select Find Someone. You need to enter their gamertag in here. Find their gamertag from the list and select it. Select Add Friend from the list. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xbox tips and tricks.